In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully branded QR code with your logo for free using the QR code generator. And I'll also walk you through the one design rule that separates a scannable branded code from one that fails every time someone points their phone at it. Most QR codes look exactly the same: monochrome, generic, and completely unbranded. And that's exactly why people hesitate to scan them. But what if your QR code could carry your logo, reflect your brand identity, and actually make people want to tap it? A branded QR code does more than look good. When someone sees your logo embedded inside a QR code, it immediately signals trust. They know who it's from. They know what to expect. And that familiarity is exactly what turns a hesitant glance into a scan. Studies and real-world campaigns consistently show that branded QR codes get higher scan rates than plain black and white ones. Not because they're prettier, but because they're recognizable. The tool I'm using today is the QR code generator, available at TQRCGG.com. It's trusted by over 4 million users worldwide. It's free to start, and it gives you everything you need to create a professional, logo-embedded QR code with real-time scannability feedback before you download anything. Let's get into it step by step. Step 1. Sign in and choose QR code type. First, head over to the TQRCGG.com and sign in. You need to sign in to be able to add logos. The logo feature is available on dynamic QR codes, and signing up takes less than a minute. No credit card required for the trial. Once you're signed in, choose your QR code type as dynamic. You can choose a URL, a PDF, a V-card with your contact details, or a plain text message. For most business use cases, you'll be creating a URL QR code. So just paste your link into the field, and your QR code will appear on the right side of the screen instantly. Step 2, customize your QR code. Click on Next below the QR code preview. This opens the full customization panel where you can change the style, colors, and outer margin of your code. You'll see multiple style options: classic, rounded, smooth, circles, each giving your code a different visual feel. Pick the one that matches your brand aesthetic best. Step 3, add your logo. Now, to add your logo, you'll need to upload your logo. You'll see the logo upload option in the same customization panel. Upload your logo as a PNG or SVG file for the sharpest result. The QR code generator will automatically size and position it inside your code. Here's the most important rule when it comes to logo QR codes. And this is the thing most people get wrong. Your logo should never cover more than 20% of the QR code's total area. QR codes have built-in error correction, which means they can tolerate a small amount of visual obstruction. But once your logo takes up too much space, even the best scanner struggles to read the pattern. The QR code generator handles this automatically. For colors, always go for high contrast between the dark pattern and the lighter background. Avoid light-on-light combinations. For example, a yellow logo on a white background, because those fail at low light or from a distance. If your brand colors are light, consider adding a darker border or frame around your code to improve reliability. Once you're happy with the design, test it before you publish. Open your phone's native camera app and 2 or 3 different QR scanner apps, and scan the code from different distances and angles. If it scans cleanly every time, you're good to go. Step 4, export QR code. Click Save under the QR code. This takes you to the export pop-up. If you're using the code digitally, on a website, social media, or email, download it as a PNG at 1,000 pixels or higher. If you're printing it, on business cards, packaging, posters, or event signage, download it as an SVG. Let me quickly answer the questions I see most often about QR codes with logos. Can I print a logo QR code? Absolutely. Just ensure your file is in SVG or high-resolution PNG format and your print DPI is 300 or above. Do colors affect scannability? Yes. Always maintain strong contrast between your QR code pattern and the background. The darker the pattern against a light background, the better. Do I need a paid plan for logos? Many generators offer logos on free tiers, but TQRCG gives it for free as it has 2 free dynamic QR codes where you can add logos for free. So no paid plan is needed to add logos to your first 2 QR codes. Should I use a static or dynamic QR code with logo? If you're printing your QR code on physical materials and you want the ability to change the destination later or track scan analytics, use a dynamic QR code. If it's a one-time use with a permanent destination, static works fine. So to recap, a QR code with your logo builds instant brand recognition and drives more scans. Keep your logo under 20% of the code area. Maintain high contrast in your color choices, test before you publish, and export in the right format for how you're using it. The QR code generator makes all of this straightforward, from upload to export, and the live scannability feedback means you'll never publish a broken code by accident. The link is in the description. Sign up for free and try it today. If this helped, hit subscribe. We cover practical QR code tips like this every week. See you in the next one.